In this video today, we're going to talk about, can you create longer videos with AI? The answer is yes, and I'm going to show you this awesome tool and the whole process. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, let's jump into this. So there's so many tools out there that create short vertical videos with AI. Cool, but this tool right here is Syllaby, and I'm gonna make sure there's a link below in the description. Yes, it is my affiliate link, but you will see why it's my go-to tool to create faceless videos with AI. And the best thing is this tool, it doesn't create just the short videos, it also creates long form horizontal videos so you can build your YouTube channel. So it's not just for TikToks, Reels, YouTube Shorts, you can also create longer videos for your YouTube channels. All right, let me log in. Here's the website, Syllaby, and again, the link will be below in the description. You can turn any idea with simple text prompt into videos, short videos, or longer horizontal videos. So let me log in and show you the process. It's really simple. I am logged into my account. Let me resize this so you can see it properly. This is the dashboard from inside. And there are two options in the dashboard. You're gonna see bulk scheduler. What this means is, in one go, you can create content for like a week, 2 weeks, or even a month. So this is actually one of my favorite features, bulk scheduler. And the second feature right here is the faceless videos. So let's actually in this video talk about the faceless videos. I'm gonna click here, create video. And now they have a brand new workflow. If I go back, switch to classic mode, there is a faceless 2.0. It's much more streamlined, faster, and easier way to create AI videos using this tool. It's a 5-step process. You're gonna choose your style, then you're gonna select your publishing schedule, then you're gonna select the video options, script. You can have your own script or have AI write the script, and then they adjust the advanced options. So let's go through this one by one. Number one is the style. You can go through this. There's so many styles available for you. My favorite one is, for most AI videos, is cinematic realism, but there's so many styles, you can pick any that you want. All right, let's choose style. Step number 2 is the schedule or publish. So click here, and this is where, let's say if you wanted to create bulk creation, you can turn this on, and then you can say, hey, I want videos for, this is actually amazing. This saves you so much time. And by the way, this is not the focus of today's video, so I'm not going to use it, but this is the button you turn on to create bulk AI faceless videos in seconds. All right, so for the purpose of this video, I am going to select this right here. I don't have the bulk creation selected. I'm going to select the target platforms that's going on one of my Facebook pages. What's the publishing options? I'm going to publish now or date and times, which means I'm going to schedule this. So I'm going to schedule this for future. So let's pick a date here and time. You can pick any of these times. Okay, save and continue. And now next step is the video option. So this is where you have multiple, you can create folders and put your videos here. Also select the language. Let's go with English. What's the subtitle style? There are multiple styles available. You can pick one that you like. Also the voice actor.
The years teach much which the days never know.
Our distrust is very expensive.
So you can pick any that you like. And now this is the magic feature. This is one of my favorite settings or features inside this tool. So if you wanted to create longer videos, look how many options you have. You can create 1 to 3 minutes. This is 1 to 3 minutes vertical. See right here, it's these two. The first two are vertical videos, and then the next are horizontal videos. So 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 10. So let's say I want to create 1 to 3 minute horizontal videos for my YouTube channels. I'll select that. Next step is going to be the script. So you can put your custom script here. You can have AI write the script. You can add a URL. So there are multiple options. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have AI write the script, but I'm going to have AI create the script based on this Facebook page that I selected. The Facebook page is all about elderly parents. So I'm going to say home care tips and hacks for elderly parents. And then I'm going to click on generate script. And now let's give it few seconds. And here we go. It took about 10 seconds. And here is my script for the long video. You can see here, estimated video length is 3 minutes and 18 seconds. So it is a longer horizontal video. And then you can see this is what the style of that video is gonna be like. If you look at the advanced option, you can select background music, you can select the sound effects. So I'm gonna enable sound effects, also different animation effects, image transitions, so different type of transitions. This is slide up, slide down. I'm gonna have mixed random, so it will mix it up for me. If you wanna use your watermark, you can do that. You can upload a watermark for your brand. For now, I am gonna click on generate video. And now it's gonna show me ideas for next video. I'm gonna skip that. And now let's give it few seconds. It's gonna start rendering my video. All right, here we go. Our video is now ready. So when I click on this, let's play this video.
Ensuring the well-being of
First of all, you can see this video is 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Let me play this.
elderly parents is a meaningful and rewarding responsibility that many of us undertake that will help in maintaining a safe, accessible, and nurturing home for your elderly loved ones.
Look at the quality of AI images this tool is using. And also you can hear the sounds. I didn't use any music. I could have used the background music, but I chose not to. But this is unbelievable. It took us about less than 2 minutes and we have a longer video. In this case, I'm gonna upload it to my Facebook page, but you can totally use it on your YouTube or other social media platforms. By the way, that's the next step. If you see on this side right here, you can publish it to your social media channels. You can copy a link of this, and maybe you want it to send it to your clients for review. You can do that. And here's another cool thing. Let's say if you don't like any of the AI images generated, you can click here, edit images and subtitles. And now you have the ability to create some of these images. So if you wanted to edit some of these images, you can do it. You can also see the part of the script that image is being displayed with. So you have a lot of flexibility. So let me go back here and then go inside the video. Another option right here is, let's say if you wanted to download and then post it manually, and maybe you're using another scheduling tool. But here's a cool thing about Syllaby. It also has scheduling tool built in. So it creates the video, it creates a script, it creates longer videos, and then also you're able to schedule it to your social media marketing channels. If you click on details, you can see the exact script being used. You can see the title, also the style, all the settings that you picked at the beginning, you can see them here. This is where you can download this on your computer and upload manually. But if you want to publish it directly, you'll just kind of click here, and now you can select the channel, you can select your caption, and then you can customize for each network if you have selected more than one, and you can post and schedule. So unbelievable AI tool, Syllaby. Using AI, you can create short videos and long videos. You can publish, you can create in bulk, meaning create multiple days or months worth of content in few seconds. That's a real time saver. You can also, after the content is generated, make changes to it or publish it or schedule it in the future. So again, the link is going to be in the description below. If you have any questions, let me know before you go like and share so more people can see this video, and I'll see you in this next one. Bye for now.